BCS menu and screens. Login page. According to users' privileges. Notifications. Showing the messages between Bayonet users in two ways. Messages view. Calendar view. Favorites, where the user saved his favorite pages. Organization hierarchy. Bayonet grants the multinational corporations reports linking all its overseas branches in one hierarchy. Projects registration. All details of your projects are shown here. Brief information about your project, just as project client. Project consultants. Project images. Each project is divided into phases according to bidding strategy. Each bid has its data as follows. Tender brief. Tender time frame. Site visit report includes project location and GPS coordinates, site description, mobilization, site work status, site logistics, etc. Tender status, where you can update the status, view the last status, or view award status history. Tender queries. Contract time frame. Contract financial details. Terms and conditions. Images and scanned document. Archived and classified in folders. Quantity tracking. Comparing bid quantities versus estimated quantities in tender stage. And bid quantities versus contract quantities in contract stage. And contract quantities versus as-built quantities in execution stage. Work breakdown structure. WBS. The decomposition of a project into smaller components. And linking them with BOQ items. Tender trials. Simultaneous trials can be estimated for the same tender by various users. Packages quotation. In one page all your quotations are easily tracked. To see each package status, for example, review requests for proposals you send to vendors. Select another vendors to send the RFP to them. And simply the RFP can be sent to them by email or by URL link. Number of received offers. Also, you can filter the offers to see the number of compliant and non-compliant offers. Number of recommended, selected, and applied offers. View offers. You can apply addition or discount percentage on the last rates at the original offer, and you can back to the original prices at any time. And you can comply any offer using maximum, minimum, or average rates, or ignore the non-compliant offer and create fake offer if needed. And compare the offers automatically with reference to the minimum, average, or the maximum offer, or manually by selecting an offer as reference in your comparison. And according to privileges you can recommend, select, or apply the offer. And you can export the package to Excel at any time. Tender summary, showing direct cost, indirect cost, markup and profit. Tender budget, showing the budget on 3 cost code levels: main, branch, and elements. And the cash flow. Contract report. Direct cost. The report comparing quantities and direct cost in bidding versus in contracting. Indirect cost. The report comparing quantities and indirect cost in bidding versus in contracting. Markup. The report comparing quantities and markup in bidding versus in contracting. Profit. The report comparing quantities and profit in bidding versus in contracting. And the rate. The report comparing quantities and the rate in bidding versus in contracting. Tender registration. Awarded tenders. And not awarded tenders. Invoice tracking, comparing between submitted and approved rates, quantities, percent of completion, deductions, and held amounts. 4. Executed works. Delivered items. General supplies. And balance summary. Invoice quantity tracking. Tracking executed quantities by all vendors for such item, and comparing it with revised contract, valuation, budget at completion and the allowable quantity. Valuation saved report. Budget tracking. Tracking the budget in all project stages. For example, comparing budget at completion versus budget to build. Cost report preparation. Report setting. Earned value. Linked codes. Actual cost. Cost report. Cost report monitoring. And deviation analysis. Branch status report, showing the status of all projects, comparing cost and margin in tenders, contract, budget to build and as built. Project's duration report, showing the original contractual duration, revised duration, claim duration, and expected at completion duration for all projects.